Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today we are going to make most awaited and the easiest way to make chicken biryani in half an hour. Here I am telling you the easiest way to impress your friends and family members. For this you require chicken. Now adding 1 cup of yogurt in it, 1 tablespoon of salt, red chili powder, all spices mix, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, food color and black salt. And that's all. Marinate the chicken in it. Give it at least 30 minutes to marinate. Now mix well and give it almost 30 minutes to marinate it properly. Now chicken is fully coated with all the spices and the yogurt. On the other side I have taken half kg tomatoes and sliced them well. 4 to 5 medium sized onion, sliced it well. Green chilies 5 to 7. Ginger garlic paste almost 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now take a wok and adding 1 cup of oil in it. Now adding all the sliced onion. Now fry it until it changes its color to golden brown. On the other stove, rice is boiling by adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now at this point, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of all spices mix and fry it well to get a nice aroma. When the onions and the crushed ginger garlic changes its color to golden brown, add the marinated chicken in it and fry it well. It will take almost 5 to 7 minutes to fry all the chicken in it. Now at this point adding tomatoes, green chilies, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, white synthetic vinegar almost 2 tablespoons and mix it well. So very yummy tikka flavored chicken korma is ready for biryani. Now start assembling by giving first layer of boiled rice, now chicken korma, sliced lemon, again boiled rice, the next layer of chicken korma, lemon slices and liquid food color. Now give it steam for almost 30 to 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes you can see very yummy, delicious, mouth-watering chicken biryani is ready to impress everyone. Do give it a try, and if you like the recipe, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching.